Hey, eco-conscious travelers, welcome back to our channel where we explore the best ways to travel sustainably and responsibly. Today I'm breaking down the 7 biggest eco-travel mistakes you need to stop making right now and what to do instead. Let's dive right in. These tips will not only help you reduce your environmental impact but also enhance your travel experiences. Number 1, flying short distances. Did you know that flights under 500 miles are massive carbon emitters? These short flights contribute significantly to air pollution and climate change. Instead, opt for trains or buses whenever possible. They are not only more eco-friendly, but also offer a chance to see the countryside and meet locals. Not only do you reduce your carbon footprint, but you also get to enjoy scenic routes and local experiences. Mistake number 2, overpacking. Extra luggage means more weight, and more weight means more fuel consumption. This not only affects the environment, but also makes your travel more cumbersome. Simplify your packing list to the essentials and travel lighter. Think about what you really need and leave the rest behind. It's better for the planet and easier on your back. Plus, it makes moving around much more convenient. Number 3, ignoring local cuisine. Eating imported foods contributes to higher carbon emissions. These foods often travel thousands of miles before reaching your plate. Support local farmers and indulge in the local cuisine. This not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also supports the local economy. It's fresher, tastier, and a more authentic experience. You get to try new flavors and learn about the culture through its food. Mistake number 4, single-use plastics. Still using plastic bags and bottles, these items are a major source of pollution and take hundreds of years to decompose. It's time to switch to reusable alternatives like metal water bottles and cloth bags. These items are not only more durable, but also significantly reduce waste. They're more durable and eco-friendly, plus many places now offer incentives for using reusable items. Number 5, staying at non-eco-friendly accommodations. Many hotels still waste energy and resources. This includes excessive use of electricity, water, and non-recyclable materials. Look for eco-certified lodgings that prioritize sustainability. These accommodations often use renewable energy, recycle waste, and conserve water. You'll often find they also offer unique, unforgettable experiences. Number 6, wildlife exploitation. Avoid attractions that involve captive or exploited wildlife. These practices are often cruel and harmful to the animals. Instead, seek out ethical wildlife sanctuaries or national parks where conservation is key. These places focus on protecting animals and their natural habitats. Respect the animals and their habitats. Always observe from a distance and never disturb them. And finally, mistake number 7, not offsetting your carbon footprint. Calculate your travel emissions and invest in carbon offset programs. These programs fund projects that reduce greenhouse gases, such as reforestation and renewable energy. It's a simple way to balance out your impact and contribute to environmental projects. Every little bit helps in the fight against climate change. So there you have it, 7 common eco-travel mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, every small change makes a big difference. By making these adjustments, you can travel more sustainably and enjoy richer experiences. Travel responsibly, and let's make this world a better place, one trip at a time. Your actions can inspire others to do the same. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eco-friendly travel tips. Your support helps us continue to spread the message of sustainable travel. See you in the next video. Safe travels and stay green. See you in the next video.